Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonia. If you are new, hi. If you are not, welcome back, fam. We are in this, fam. So today I'm coming to you with this nice little, I filmed it and I posted it and the quality was not good, so we're redoing this. But I'm coming to you guys with this VSG bariatrics kit for my vertical sleeve gastrectomy. Yes, your girl is getting the sleeve. I'll be getting that done. Now it's about to, oh my god, Thursday is almost here, guys, of this week. I'm getting it done. Where did the time go by? Where did all the 6 months go? Where? But anyway, let me stop rambling. Make sure you click the like button. Give this a thumbs up. Please comment below and tell me what you think about my videos. Tell me what you want to see. All this let a girl know what you, let me know what you want. All you gotta do is just tell me what you want. And I got you. 100. I got you. Anyway, so we're gonna dive into my little kit. I already have it open and everything. I literally filmed this for you guys and it didn't work. So let's start with this. Here are my B12 bilingual, illegal, whatever. It's the ones that dissolve underneath my tongue. I have to take these. Here is the chewable calcium. I believe I take this one time a week, but you have to make sure, literally, they also give you this little shaker, a bariatric shaker right here. I bet y'all like that. I bet y'all did. Okay, so they give you these. And already letting you know, when you take the multivitamins, you cannot take your calcium with it within 2 or 3 hours with each other. You have to space it out like 2 or 3 hours away. Okay? Okay. But yeah, it comes into that and this right here. Alright, let's get into what y'all are really probably like, what's in the rest of this box? So they gave me some protein drinks. So I have this cookies and cream one right here. These are protein powders. You get another one of these. And I'm going to tilt this with you so you can see. There's a lot in here. Okay. For $260.75. I better get a whole lot of protein powders. I better. Anyway, so they tell you to mix your protein powders up with Fairlight or almond milk or soy milk, 1% milk you can, but typically after you have the surgery, you're going to be some type of lactose intolerant person. So I'm going to have to start drinking Fairlight at the age of 21. What's good? What's good? Anyway, so here's another ice latte. And another cookies and cream. Here's a banana one. Oh yeah, here's like a whole bunch of cookies and cream. Oh, and here's one vanilla bean. So yeah, I'm trying to get to the one, okay. Here is a orange cream one. Sorry about the sound if you hear my dog and if you hear the dryer, it's going around. Sorry. Let me stop playing with y'all. Another banana. And what I'm allergic to, like, I literally told them, I'm like, hey guys, I'm allergic to red dye. Can you tell me why this is in my kit? And it's not like I have one of them. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 of them. Oh, and wait 1 second. And also, here's a chocolate one. Yum. I hate chocolate. Like, I hate chocolate powder stuff. But I do like me some chocolate bars. So, I'm goofy. So, yeah. This is a lot. Like, literally, guys. Wait, I'm gonna fill it. Show you guys. Like, this is all protein powders in here. Okay. Then you have my shaker, and this is what I mix my protein powder up in, and you have to get in within, she said, 48 ounces of water. That's what they want you to get, like, start consuming. But your protein powders, like your protein drinks, can count as that, as to your liquids as well, which I thought was really cool when she was telling me about this. So yeah. And if y'all are wondering, so this is what my kit looks like all together. Where I am, who's doing my surgery? So my surgery is being done by William Johnson from Atlanta Bariatric. He is amazing. I've seen a lot of his work from the staff there, and they look phenomenal. Like, they look good. And I was like, okay. Really, I really was. But so I was like, okay, yeah, that's who's doing my surgery. Like, okay, I want him. And he put me on the 6-month plan. You can also be on the 6-month or the 3-month, depending really on how they want it done. And they can reword things for your insurance and everything like that. They're really cool, really sweet. They're in Georgia. So if you want more details about that, just let a girl know, and I will tell you whatever you want. I am taking you guys with me for my surgery. My surgery is at 7. Okay, surgery time, I have to be there at 7 o'clock in the morning. They're going to take me back and everything like that, and he'll start on me at 9 o'clock in the morning. And I cannot have any liquids, any water, any food, nothing. And I have to get me an antibacterial soap to wash my body with for before the surgery, and for, I think he said, like 2 months after I have my surgery, after like everything's done healing. So yeah, there's a lot. If you want to know more about like the financial side, just let me know and I will tell you all. If you want to know how I'm paying for it, just let me know. And I don't mind like going more in detail, because, you know, everybody's going to look at this and be like, oh my gosh, she's 21. What is she doing? I'm 21 years old, and I'm trying to nip this in the bud while I'm young, and why I can change the way I eat. So yeah. Did I just wink? Oh my god, if I just wink, bruh. If I just wink, guys, please comment and tell me below. Did I just wink? Sorry if my nose ring is like looking weird, but it's okay. It's already like dark. It's dark, guys. I'm at home. And I just got back from school, so yeah. I'm about to post a video on some other stuff that I have to get off my chest, because I feel like guys and girls, kings and queens, because we are all kings and queens, and we need to treat each other like that. And yeah, so please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and a like. Oh, well, that's the same thing. So give this video a thumbs up and comment and subscribe, guys. Like, come on, join the fam. Join the fam. And how do you guys like this hair right now? Like, tell me what you really think. What you really think. Look at these. Look at this. Like, what you mean? You can't tell me nothing. And if you want to know how I have it looking so cute, so natural and everything like that, I will do a video for you guys how I style this hair, what I do with it. This is literally, I will do whatever. What you mean? I got you. But Yeah, so this is my first video talking about my VSG. Nervous. I'm so excited, guys. You don't realize, like, I'm just so thankful for everything. So just remember, guys, you are kings and queens, and I will see you again. If you are trying to figure out what video to watch next, just click that video below on one of my other videos talking about this hair. You really want to know what hair this is? Yes. Come watch. Come see. Join the club. Be with me in the thought. Okay, anyway.